sir, there are a lot of phrasal verbs in here. I'm going to do some copies too. This is okay. Right now that you know the meaning of phrasal verbs, I will give you a worksheet. You can pass this one. I will give you a worksheet, and with the phrasal verb in its meaning. And then you have to work alone and you have 4 minutes to do that. There are 10 questions. There are 10 sentences that you're going to fill up. Okay, guys? What are you going to do with the worksheet?
Only the blank.
Are you going to work alone? How many minutes are you going to do that? 4 minutes. Okay, class, you can start now.